Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I want to make a video showing you guys how to enable Hyper-V on Windows 8 Professional. Basically, the Hyper-V is a virtualization feature that's a part of Windows 8, but it's a part of Windows 8 Professional. If you have Windows 8 Basic, I think it's called Basic. If you have the basic version, it doesn't come with the Hyper-V feature. So if you do have Windows 8 Professional, or if you have Windows 8.1, maybe Windows 8.1 might have Hyper-V. I'm not 100% sure of it, but yeah, it's basically a virtualization feature. It's pretty much the same. It's almost the same as VMware or VirtualBox or VirtualPC. These are all different types of software that um, allow you to do virtualization. So for instance, if you guys have watched a lot of I have a lot of virtualization tutorials, how to install Windows 8 on VMware Player, how to install Windows Server on VMware Player, how to install Windows 7, etc., etc. I have a lot of them. So if you want to check those out, you can go ahead and check those out as well. But this what Hyper-V is it's very similar to this. But it's built into Windows. You don't have to download anything. It's already there. But the thing is, you have to enable it. By default, Windows has not enabled it. So if I go to my start menu right now and type in Hyper-V, there's no programs that come up. I don't have the program installed. These are just some files somewhere. So we need to go ahead and enable it. The reason that Microsoft doesn't enable it by default is that it's kind of an advanced software, or it's an advanced feature that not many people will use, and not many people really have any practical uses for it. But when it comes to virtualization and trying out new OSs, it's definitely something that um, will help out a lot of people. And I'm not really sure 100% why they would disable it, leave it disabled, but yeah, it comes with Windows, and if you have Windows 8 Pro, you have it on your computer. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Hyper-V on Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. So to get started, what you want to do is you want to go to your control panel. So in Windows 8.1, you can just even in Windows 8 actually, if you move your mouse all the way to the bottom left here and you right click, you'll get the WinX menu, as people call it nowadays, WinX. That's because you can hold the Windows key on your computer and press X, and the menu comes up as well. So that's why they call it WinX. So in this menu, you can go to Control Panel, and the control panel will open up. Sorry, I have dual monitors, so it's coming up on my second monitor. So this is the control panel. The other way if you want to go to control panel, is you can go to your Metro UI, the start menu, and then just type control panel, and it'll come up here. If you're wondering why I'm getting my search options here, it's not like the normal search we're used to in Windows 8. It's because this is Windows 8.1. If you haven't upgraded Windows 8 to Windows 8.1, go and do it like ASAP, because it really is it's an amazing upgrade, and it definitely improves Windows 8, and it's free, so there's nothing holding anyone back for it, so you should do it. So go to control panel. Once we are in our control panel, sorry, I have it open on my second menu there. So once you're in control panel, what you want to do is there is an option here called Programs and Features. So you can click on that, and once you come here in Programs and Features, you have an option right here that says Turn Windows Features on or off. So click on that, and then here are a bunch of different features that Windows has, and it comes with your Windows 8. But some of them are not enabled, and some of them are enabled. So if you're thinking, oh, why don't I just enable all these features, it's going to be it'll improve everything, right? No, not really. These are specific features that you enable for specific reasons. But Hyper-V is something that if you do want to do virtualization, you want to enable that. But don't go crazy and start enabling everything because uh, different things do different, different features do different things. So be careful. But we want to enable Hyper-V here. So we click on Hyper-V. If you see the plus sign here, there's more here, but you can just click the check sign here for Hyper-V. Click on that, and then we'll hit OK. And then it's searching for required files. It says. And applying changes, and there we go. Windows completed the requested changes. Windows needs to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. So yeah, we just have to restart our computer, and then you'll notice that Hyper-V will be installed. So right now I'm gonna pause the video, I'm gonna restart my computer, and I'll start recording once we come back, and you guys will see the changes that have occurred. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so we are back. I restarted my computer, and now if you'll notice, let's hit the start button, and then now if I type in hyper, oh, I just typed in H, I didn't even type it. If I just type HY, there you'll see we have the Hyper-V virtual machine connection or the Hyper-V manager. So now you'll notice that Hyper-V is installed and we have it up and running. So this is the Hyper-V manager, and we have enabled Hyper-V on our computer. So for the purpose of this video, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys how to enable Hyper-V on Windows 8.1. In future videos, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it and how we're going to set up some virtual machines, get things up and running. What's interesting is because I already set up a few VMs before before I disabled Hyper-V previously, and it kind of recognized them also already, so I have them here. But yeah, for right now, you guys, like, if you don't know what Hyper-V is, I'm gonna do a bunch of like videos using Hyper-V. I'm gonna try and use Hyper-V as much as possible for all my virtualization videos now. I used to use VMware Player a lot, and I still love it. It's a super good software. But one thing to note is if you guys like if we do install Hyper-V now, if we try to load up any VMware VMs, it will give us a message. I believe it'll give us a message. Yep. So it gives us a message saying VMware Player and Hyper-V are not compatible. Remove the Hyper-V role from the system before running VMware Player. So that's one thing to keep in mind, guys. For some reason, VMware Player doesn't work at the same time as Hyper-V. So if you want to run your VMware virtual machines, you will have to go to the programs and features. You'll have to go to the programs and features menu like we did before and disable Hyper-V, and then your VMware virtual machines will work again. But what I'm planning to do is try to use all my virtual machines, start making all my virtual machines on Hyper-V itself. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to comment if you have any suggestions for future videos or questions. Don't forget to rate or like this video, and subscribe. Definitely make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys, and take care.